Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok. This effect doesn't work with this device. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So just a few information about this one. Some effects doesn't actually support some mobile devices. So we have a quick solution for this one, but it is not guaranteed. Now, the first thing that we want to do here is we first want to check if there are any updates on TikTok. So go ahead and go to Google Play Store and search for TikTok and check if there are any updates on TikTok. So if you see any updates, make sure that you install the updates for you to guarantee that you have the latest version and the higher probability or the higher chances that that effect will now be able to be compatible with your account or your mobile device. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to check if that effect now works. Now, if that it still doesn't work, the next thing that we could do here is we could report this to TikTok support. Now, for us to report that, you need to go to your profile at the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on the 3-bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go to Settings and Privacy. Now, under Settings and Privacy, you want to go to the very bottom until you see the section that says Report a Problem. Now, under Report a Problem, you should choose the appropriate category that you want to report on. So in this case, we want to choose Videos and Sound. Now, in here, we could just basically choose the type of topic that we want to report. So in this case, we want to choose something a little bit at the bottom, and you want to choose the beauty filters, effects, and templates. And then choose using MV or templates. Now from here, you want to choose no. And from here, just click on need more help. Now from here, you just need to give your feedback about the problems that you are currently experiencing on TikTok. So it would be a lot safer or a lot helpful if you also mention the type of effect that is not working on your mobile device in this report. Now, once you've reported this, just click on submit and just need to wait for TikTok's support to contact you back. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.